Hey there, physics enthusiasts! Today let's dive into the fascinating world of imagine two spherical objects with the same radius and mass speeding towards each other. When they collide elastically, they exchange momentum. In an elastic collision, the total kinetic energy and momentum are conserved. But how does this exchange of momentum actually happen? It's all due to an impulsive force acting between the objects. This force is significant but lasts for a very short time. According to Newton's law of collision, during this brief interaction we can observe two types of impulses, deformative and reformative. Deformative impulse occurs when the objects deform on impact. Then, as they return to their original shape, the reformative impulse comes into play. What's truly fascinating is the ratio of these two impulses. This ratio remains constant and is called the coefficient of restitution. It essentially measures how bouncy a collision is. A coefficient of 1 means a perfectly elastic collision where no kinetic energy is lost, but if it's less than 1, some energy gets converted into other forms like heat or sound. So next time you see objects collide, remember it's not just a crash, it's a beautiful dance of physics, momentum exchange, and impulse. Understanding these principles can give you a deeper appreciation of how the universe works. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Let's keep exploring the wonders of physics together.